And how many people do you know who are seeing opportunities and they're waiting till everything is lined up and perfect? And when is it perfect? It's never perfect. And I did not invent this idea that you start ugly, but you start. Just get going. You mentioned my podcast. You know, I had this idea to do a podcast. I have a great partner for it. I have so much fun doing it. We had started recording them. I'm a big cyclist. I was on a routine bike out to the beach. It's not far. Did it all the time. And some guy was on his morning walk, and he did a U-turn to come back, didn't look over his shoulder, walked right into my bike, threw me. And even though I had a helmet on, I had a head injury that was so significant that until May, seriously, I mean, we thought that I may have early onset dementia. Okay? I'm okay. Right? Right? I'm okay. But we kept waiting on the podcast because we didn't know when we could do more. I had 3 months I couldn't do anything. And then slowly things would come back, and the memory gaps were horrible. But then I thought about this idea, and I said, we need to just start. And it's like we didn't know how we were doing it, what we were doing, and you know what? It all worked out just fine. It all worked out fine. And so when you wait for everything to be perfect, just bet on yourself.